Hello guys, you welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to claim this airdrop, okay, and you can earn about $2 and even more money, okay, by claiming this airdrop. And when people use your referral link, you can even earn more. So you are going to use the referral link I have in my comment section, which I've pinned. Okay, we are going to use it to claim this airdrop. Make sure you stick to the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so I don't want to waste your time. So right here you are going to click on start. Okay, use that referral link right there in the comment section. They are going to ask you this question, try answering it correctly. So I think this is 66. We're going to type that in right now. Okay, so make sure you follow all the whole tax that's been given to you. All the tax that's been given to you. So they have plenty of them right here, okay, and we are going to just read through all of this. Okay, you can earn about $100 through your referral link, guys. This is really awesome. Okay, you can use your referral link to earn huge amount of money when you get to refer this particular airdrop to your friend. Have in mind that this airdrop is free and fair. That's the only kind of airdrop we share on here, meaning that you don't need to transfer crypto to get this airdrop. So you click on their Twitter account. Okay, you have to go follow them. This is the first step. Okay, so you click on there, follow them right there. When you follow them on Twitter, you come on to their post here. Okay, this is a pin post. Okay, I think you come up with, let me verify that. Okay, we need to verify that real quick so you know on what you are going to like. Okay, you have to like this post right here and try to retweet as well. You have to comment on the post. Okay, you can put in like nice project or just put in what you feel that is good. Okay, you can put in these are great project or something similar to that. So after doing that, remember we are still going to get on there and like you have to retweet. Okay, it's very important because I think I forgotten about that. So yeah, let's get back on there. Let me show you guys how to retweet. Remember this, we are still on the Twitter, so we are getting back on Twitter again because I forgot to retweet, okay, the post. So when you get right here, okay, this at last space, okay, remember this is the airdrop, so you guys should be patient with me, please. So you click on here, just where my signal is bad a little bit, so remove that one right there. Okay, I'm going to remove it so you know on how to retweet. So I'm going to undo that, then you click on retweet. Okay, yeah, so that's all you need to do. So the second step is going to be this one. Okay, we are going to join their Discord. So if you don't have a Discord account, download the app on Play Store or App Store, create an account real quick and join. Right here you click on accept invitation. Okay, after doing that you're supposed to click on that arrow, but we are going to get back to that later, so let's hurry up so this video won't be that longer. So coming right here, you have to make sure you open the Instagram. So if you don't have any Instagram account, go create one. After creating one, then after creating one, you just follow them right here. Okay, you can just comment on few of their posts or just one in particular. So after that one, then the next step is going to be to subscribe to Airdrop Detective YouTube. Okay, so if you get to their if you get to the Airdrop Detective YouTube channel, you want to make sure that you're already subscribed right there. Okay, you have to complete all of these steps in so you can be enabled, so you can be eligible to get this airdrop. So you can see that I'm subscribed and I've turned on the bell notification. Okay, so you guys should do that, like do the same for me by subscribing and turning on the bell notification. So after that, you have to still come on here on Airdrop Detective Twitter account. Okay, when you get on there, you have to retweet the post. Okay, like it and make sure you follow the Airdrop Detective. Okay, so that's what we are going to do right now. If you are finding value right on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more. Okay, so when you click on follow right here, you have to follow the Airdrop Detective. Then you come onto the post right here which has got the name at last airdrop. You come here, retweet it. Okay, retweet it. Okay, and like the post. You can as well comment. It's very important that you comment. I've done this, so I'm trying to put you guys through so you guys can be on track. So I think that is all. Okay, so let's get on here. They have many tasks, and each of these tasks get to earn you money. Okay, each of the tasks which you are doing has got money right there. You can see 0.5 USDT. Okay, that's what you get, I think, on some tasks. So right here we have to as well, scroll up. Let's scroll up. Then you have to join the airdrop detective telegram. After doing all of that, you click on submit details. Okay, you should see something like that right there. So after clicking on submit details, then they will ask you for your email address. Make sure the email address you are giving to them is an email address which you are not using for your business. Okay, create a new email address and send it to them. You can see mine. This is my business email address, but you can use a new email address so you don't get exploited. Okay, we are talking about, yeah. So just get on your Twitter account, click on profile, then come up there. You see the 4 dots or 3 dots up there. Click on it. When you click on it, then you click on share. Then you need to copy. Okay, they want you to copy your Twitter, your Twitter profile, whatever. Yeah, just grab the link right there and come paste it for them right here. So when you paste it, remember you're getting about 0.5 USDT on this particular tax. So the next thing is to click on their Discord, so you can go submit your username and send it to them. So we are here on my Discord now. Accept the invitation. Okay, so right here we are going to correct that stuff. So let's click down there. Okay, I need to verify. Okay, I've verified this on my other phone right now. So we need to scroll up. Okay, you need to scroll up. Okay, when you scroll up, okay, let's scroll up. I'll show you the procedure. When you scroll up, then you click on I have read and agreed to the rules. And then you click on, after that you click on complete. So you've joined their group right now. The Atlas. The Atlas, yeah, the airdrop. This is their channel, the project itself. So you come on here. Okay, click down there, yeah. When you click on there, you can see my name there. That's my username, Bullish Lord. Okay, then just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will copy username, copied. Then get back on telegram, then paste this to them. Yes, then the next step is going to be your Instagram username. They want it, so get that link right there. Then remove the Atlas spacer, then get your own username, okay, which is your Instagram username. Remove theirs, their own right here, delete it and put in yours right there. Yes, so just watch me do it right now. Delete that one. Yeah, I'm going to pull my Argo 777. So after doing that, you need to click on send and send it to them. Remember, all of this kind of tax, okay, you are definitely going to earn something from it. So this particular one, we are going to skip it. Skip YouTube tax. You can still do it if you want, okay, and still earn the money right there. So we are going to submit the airdrop detective retweet link. Okay, so we need to get back on there. Remember, I told you guys to comment on the on the post, okay, on Twitter. Okay, so let's get back on there. So you need to get back on there. Okay, let's remove all of this. Go back. Right, this is on my profile now. So you come on tweet and replies. Then if you come on there, then you go up right there. You can see, copy that. Yeah, let's get back on Telegram. You can still replay this, play it later and see how I did it there. So you paste this to them. So when you paste this for them, then yeah, they will actually have you join airdrop detective telegram. You say yes and make sure you've joined. Then the next step is supposed to be so after that we need to go submit our Web20. Now get on your Trust wallet, then click on here, Binance matching right there. Yes, then come on receive, and then come on copy. Okay, then after that you get on the telegram right there. If you get on here, then you paste your address to them. Yeah, when you paste it for them or to them, then what will happen is that they will credit you, okay, but the distribution date is yet to be known. Okay, so try to join on their telegram channel so you can get to know on when they will distribute this money to you. So after that, then they'll ask you to join this. Okay, join all of the group right there. These groups are going to help you so you can get information, you can get to ask questions, you can get to know on when they are going to distribute your money to you. Okay, so let's join all of this. Okay, you guys are going to see the balance, like how much I've made from just doing all of this right now. So after doing, just join all of them. Okay, this is very important. Okay, you can get to ask questions. Don't forget, ask questions. When is the distribution date? When are you getting this money to your trust wallet? So you can see we've done everything. Okay, so coming up here, you can see that thing right there, that link right there you're seeing is your referral link. You copy it and paste it to your friends, tell them to do the same thing. Okay, you can send them this video so they can get to know how they can get their own money. See, I clicked on my balance right there, so let's check my balance right there. I have like $1.78 right now. Okay, that's the amount I have. So you guys should use your referral link and get more people on this, how you can make more money. Follow me on YouTube, follow me on TikTok. Okay, and make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me for more videos like this one, because I'm going to be posting more values like this one. I love you all and catch you again.